Diffusion is the net movement of particles from an area of high concentration to an area of low concentration. Diffusion is passive transport, movement from high to low concentration without cellular energy. The difference in concentration between two regions is called the concentration gradient. Individual particles are constantly moving randomly in different directions. Because more particles move from the crowded region, the overall net movement is toward the lower concentration. When the concentrations become equal, dynamic equilibrium is reached. Particles still move, but there is no net movement. So diffusion depends on random molecular motion, concentration differences, temperature, and the mass of gas particles. When temperature increases, gas particles gain more kinetic energy and move faster.
Therefore, the rate of diffusion increases as temperature increases, because the particles move faster.
The rate of diffusion also depends on the mass of the gas particles. Hydrogen is much lighter than oxygen.
Because hydrogen molecules are lighter, they move faster than oxygen molecules at the same temperature. Therefore, hydrogen diffuses faster.
Faster molecular movement leads to more rapid spreading and mixing of gases.
A biological example is oxygen diffusing from a higher concentration outside a cell toward a lower concentration inside. In conclusion, diffusion is the spontaneous spreading of particles. Higher temperature and lighter particles generally result in faster diffusion.